3, 2, 1, crescendo.
Welcome, and we're remaining in the upper bracket match round 2. Remember, everything you're seeing for the first 15 seconds is completely autonomous and pre-programmed. 1741, red alert, high performer usually during this time. Try and maneuver over to the center, snatching it out just out of the way of 325. Respawn Robotics, not quite able to get that note in time. Currently leading the scores, Red Alliance is 34, Blue Alliance is 21. Just under 200 seconds remaining in the match. Plenty of time to change until we get the outcome. Remember, folks do not care about ranking points anymore. It's all what comes down to who can get the most amount of points in the remaining time. So we don't need those thresholds for ranking point purposes. Team 554 working their way. That's the blue grease crew trying to deliver a couple of notes into the top part of their speaker. Worked 5 points during that 10-second amplification time. It cost 2 of the notes in the amp, so the amp is still a valuable part of the scoring piece in this playoffs area. Score is currently 40-42, only 2 points difference with 90 seconds remaining in the match. 94-26, Galactech usually spotting a beacon in front of their robot. Turn that off and off as they need additional guidance mechanism from their different scoring areas around the field. 32-01, one of our more local teams, that's Atlas. They're down the road in Ross, Ohio, going to have still cross the river here at Riverboat Rumble to get over to their part of town. 325, trying to cause as much bumper-on-bumper ruckus across the field and their opponents' part of the sections, trying to keep that defense pressure on, preventing their opponents from scoring additional points. 234, Cyber Blue, picking up additional game pieces from their hero player station. They'll then deliver that over to their scoring station, shuttling those pieces up and over the field, trying to minimize the cycle time for picking up the game pieces and then scoring it into their repoppable receptacles. Game pieces are worth 1 in the amp, 2 in the speaker, or 5 if amplified. 40 seconds in the remaining match. Scores 59-67, 8-point difference. That can be made up in the remainder of the time. 30 seconds remaining. We're getting edging ever closer to end game. 1741, red alert, trying to sneak in a couple more points during the application period. Many teams electing to build shorter robots, allowing them for more advanced maneuverability around the field. We hear that guitar riff. We'll start to see additional game pieces enter the field. Players try to toss things on top of the speaker. They need to get it around those microphones, those metal posts, to score additional climbing points for robots. 55-54 in the Blue Alliance trying to climb. Just a few seconds remaining. Counting it down. 3, 2, 1. And that's all for match 2 here at Riverboat Rumble. Scores were neck and neck that entire match, but your winners for match 2 were the Blue Alliance. The Blue Alliance was your Alliance 3, your underdogs. 1 point difference here between 2 and 3. Both of these alliances will play again. We'll next see Alliance 3 continuing in the upper bracket. We'll see them at match 3. And we'll next see Alliance 2 in the lower bracket for match